Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be making a towel rail out of these gas pipe fittings. Okay, I just need to work out the screws and what I need to fix into the wall. I've got a 5cm screw and I've got a 2.5cm screw. I might use a combination of both actually, because I think 5cm is probably a bit too overkill. I don't need it too long to go into the wall. And I use 2.5cm for some of them as well, because there's 3 fixings per corner. Great, so that's measured accurately now, ready to be fitted. I've got these drywall screws which should screw directly into the wall. So let's try that. I'll put a couple in just to hold it, fix it in position, and then I'll put the rest in. Okay, that's one in just to hold it level. And then I'll make sure it's level with my spirit level. Now the second one can go in. Okay, that's the second one in. Just still check, make sure it's level. Yes, that's great. I've got an extra long screwdriver bit just to get past this awkward section here, so I can screw this bit in. I'm going to use a longer screw just so I get a better fixing. These are about a 4cm screw. When I screw the bottom part in, I'm going to make sure that 1914 is upright because it looks quite nice there. And then I'll be able to get that screw at the bottom as well. I use the longer screw here. Make sure the 1914 is facing upright. The longer drill bit gets past this awkward bit here. Okay, just the last one here to go in. Great, that's it, that's done. I've just tied it all up now. And then just check it's level, and I'll fill the old holes where the previous towel rail was. Great, well, that's turned out alright in the end. Even with not using any raw plugs, it's solid in the wall. So that's good. I'll put a description of all the items that I purchased in the video description below. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.